Well, before the snow all melts, that be Pinecone Springs right there. Don't mind the orb lights, just my flash. Here's Pinecone Springs. April 4th, running Pinecone Springs with a little bit of snow. Springs have been running all winter long, actually. Pinecone Spring runs all year this year if it keeps raining. Yeah, that's all Crazy Mike got for you. Peace. Get along or start buying limes. Will be on sale soon. With your neighbor's situation, we know how that goes. Enjoy life. Be kind to your behind. Please wipe off the seat. Adios, amigos. Crazy Mike loves you peoples.